I'm using extra virgin olive oil drizzle. This is just for to drizzle on stuff or dressings and stuff like that. I normally use a different one, but this one was on sale, so why not? And it's pretty simple. It's equal amounts of your extra virgin olive oil or whatever olive oil you're using, and equal amounts red wine vinegar. So I'm just going to eyeball it. You can measure it if you feel more comfortable doing that. And I always add in a bit more red wine vinegar because I just like it that way. This is totally optional. I'm going to add in a medium size clove of fresh garlic and just shred it in there. You could smash it if you like. If you want to leave this out, go ahead. I have 1 Serrano pepper and I'm going to shred this just like I did my garlic. It doesn't have to be perfect, just get it in there. And however much spice you like, you could use the whole Serrano or half or just a little bit. It's all up to you. Really finely chopped cilantro. I'm just going to add probably a teaspoon or more. Whatever you want to do, go for it. Add as little or much as you like. This is why I said the fresh garlic is optional, because I'm also going to add just a bit of garlic powder. Not too much. I already have some garlic in there, but this does have a bit of a different taste. I have some onion powder. Toss that in. Some sea salt. I'm just going to put a bit on my hand and sprinkle it in for taste. And some black pepper. Let's mix this and set it in the refrigerator just for a few minutes or while you're preparing your pasta salad. I'm using this Barilla tricolor rotini. I normally use a mixture of this and some whole grain rotini, but I couldn't find any and I kind of just half it up and mix it up with some whole grain. But I'm using this right now, and how I cook it al dente. I drain it and it's still hot, and when I set it aside, it's going to cook even more because I don't rinse it, and then you're all good to go. So cook it according to the directions or however you like, and let's toss this together. I feel for pasta salad, the sliced olives you could already get sliced for you are just not the right texture, and that's just my opinion. So if you like those, use them. But I did get some medium-sized olives in the can, and I sliced them myself, and I just sliced them in half. So I'm going to add that. You can dice your onion or slice it thinly. So I have some thinly sliced purple onion, and I just like it to be sliced like that. Some thinly sliced red bell pepper. Some grape tomatoes that I cut in half. Some chopped baby kale and baby spinach. The dressing is on. Let's get this mixed. And now that we have it a bit mixed, we're going to add our cheese. I feel this cheese really complements the cilantro and the Serrano peppers, and I just like it. So we're going to add some of this. So let's do it. You want to do a good amount because we're going to toss this all together. Going to mix this a bit more and just make sure all that cheese is mixed up, and we're pretty much done. Now that your dressing and your cheese is all mixed and you got everything tossed together, you want to cover this And let this set in the refrigerator for about maybe 25 to 30 minutes until it's nice and chilled and you're good to go. I don't know what happened to the sound, but I just wanted to let you know what I added as far as before I like to serve my pasta salad or have it. I added a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. I added a drizzle of red wine vinaigrette with the Asiago cheese, some finely chopped cilantro, and just some sea salt and black pepper, and you're good to go. This really pairs good with a nice grilled or sauteed steak or chicken, and pair it with any type of protein you like, and it's gonna be good. So try this out. You're gonna love it, and I'll see you in my next upload.